Okay, come. So today, right, we will always start off with one extra question first. I will let you attempt the extra question. Let's see who is the first person who got it right. Oh, yeah. No calculator. All right. Can you please write the answer into the chat? All right. Where is the chat? This is actually the chat. For example, I'm writing down here as, hello, my name is Bernice. Woohoo. All right, so that's the chat portion. All right, so you can give me the final answer into the chat. Are you ready? All right, the first question is the extra question. Let's go. Hey, I'm not 88 years old, man. So bad. I'm a Bernice. Oh, yeah, the first question. Let's go. Very easy. Yes, Wen-Xing is here. You see? All the girls. Girl power! Right, go to the chat and write in the answer. Hey, hello, Wen-Xing. Thank you for coming in. All right, Lavanya, the answer is not correct. Not yet. Yeah, please try again. So Wen-Xing, today my name is called Bernice because as you can see, all the students are girls, right? So I need to have a girl's name also. So you can call me Bernice today, okay? Teacher Bernice. Okay. Wen-Xing very strict. All right, Wen-Xing, can you please try this question? Oh, Shiloh, your answer is wrong. All right, I only got answers for Lavanya and Shiloh. Both are wrong. Oh, there's another student coming in. Natasha. Natasha. Hey, seriously, Natasha. Oh no, all girls again. Hello, Natasha, is that you? Can I call you Natasha? Yes, okay, yeah. So actually, my name is Ben Ong, just to let you know, Natasha. My name is Ben Ong. But because today everyone, can you see all girls, right? Yeah, so I decided to give myself a girl name also. My name is Bernice. You can call me Teacher Bernice, okay? she agreed. Right.
You're not nice.
Hey, Burn is very nice. Burn
No.
nice.
No, you're very
I'm
mean.
so
You're very mean.
nice. Hey,
You're
give me the
very
answer. Pom Pom, your answer is wrong. Vaishnavi, your answer is also wrong. Hey, can you please look at the first question? The first question, everybody got it wrong. Oh no. I'm going to take something to hit my own self. A ruler. Quick, somebody give me the answer, please. All right. Those of you who key the answer in the chat, like Lavanya, no, answer is wrong. Shiloh is wrong. Pom Pom is wrong. Vaishnavi is wrong. Come on. Somebody give me the right answer. All right, go to the chat and key the answer, please. All right, some of you are really looking at the question again. Very good. Shiloh, nope. You're guessing. Ken Wen-Xing, try. Waiting for your answer. Also Hushnia, also waiting for your answer. And Natasha, waiting for your answer. So go to the chat and type in the final answer, please. Oh, Natasha, go girl! She got it. Wow. Yeah, girl power. All good. Shiloh, you're wrong again. You stop spamming me with wrong answers. Yes, Vaishnavi, my goodness. Can you see not? Never say die. Vaishnavi, I really like your attitude. Very determined. She got it wrong the first time, but the second time she got it right. Good job. All right, Lavanya is still wrong. All right, I'm still waiting answer from Hush. Pom Pom, good try, but try again. All right, waiting for answer for Hushnia. Can you give a try? Just give a try. It's okay. And Wen-Xing, go to the chat and key the answer. All right, Natasha got it already. All right, so I just want to see whether Hushnia and Wen-Xing can give me an answer. So Shiloh is not giving me random answer. Wow, she's amazing. She just came in and she dropped a bomb on me by getting me the right answer. All right, good job. Wen-Xing, your answer for the question, please. Go to the chat and answer. And also Hashnia, if you know how to use the chat, please go and do it. All right, just key in the answer for me, please.
Can you explain, please?
Yes, I'm going to explain after seeing the answers from the two of them. All right, wow. Or maybe let's get Natasha to explain. Oh my goodness, she's so good. No, Lavanya, it's not that. It's not just like that.
Mr. Bernice.
Oh, yes, Vaishnavi, you got it right. All
You
right.
know that Natasha's from my school?
Oh, I didn't know that. Huh? Shiloh, you know Natasha. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. And now you all know Bernice. I'm from your school too. Yes. All right. So Natasha, are you able to, do you want to explain to the class or do you want me to explain? You don't want. Okay. Hey, but good job. All right. Vaishnavi, you got it also. Come. All right. So children, let's continue. All right, with this question first. Yes, Vaishnavi? Oh, you want to explain? Really? Really? Come. Okay, but I cannot hear you. Can you on your volume, please? I cannot hear you. No, I cannot hear you. Your mouth is moving, but I cannot hear you. I'm sorry. Can you say something? I'm sorry, I cannot hear you. Seriously. The rest, can you hear her? No, right? Oh, yes, yes, I can hear you now, Vaishnavi.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Okay, say. Tell me what to do. Tell me. Come.
So 3 bottle equals 14.
Wait. 3 bottles equal to 14. Why?
It's written that $7 is each. So 7, they will add 1. So 3 bottles equal 14.
Okay, wait. So she wants to buy how many bottles first? 4 bottles, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, this rectangular box is the bottle. Is that true? Okay, so continue, please. What do you say again? This one is how much, sorry?
1 bottle is 7.
Okay, this
so
one?
14 plus 7 equals 21.
14 times 7 is 21. 14 plus 7 is 21.
Yeah, 14
Oh.
plus 7.
14 plus 7 is 21. Okay, but again, you must understand, children. All right, what is happening? Just to let you know, the answer is 21, children. All right. Okay, come, children. Honestly, I don't understand a Vaishnavi explanation. So I'm going to explain to you. Come. All right, so children, what is happening is our dear Enqi, all right, she wants to buy what? She wants to buy 4 bottles of what? This shampoo. Is that okay? Is that okay? So this portion is okay. She wants to buy 4 bottles of this shampoo. And the shampoo is obviously the same. Is that okay? All right. And because she wants to buy 4 bottles, right, there's a promotion. Do you know what's the meaning of promotion? A promotion means that if you go to a shop, right, they sell it to you at a cheaper price. All right. So if you go in to buy 1 bottle, you have to pay what? $7. Is that true? If you go in to buy a second bottle, you have to pay $7. All right. But if you package them together as a promotion, buy 2, you get 1 free. So if you buy 2, you can get the third one free. Do you know that? So this one is FOC. FOC stand for? Anyone knows what FOC stand for? Yes, what? Type it in. My favorite. FOC stand for? Yes, free of charge. Free of charge. So if you buy 2 bottles, $7 and $7, you get the third one as free. Is that okay? Is this understood? All right. But the question say that she wants to buy 4 bottles. So this bottle here must be charged at $7 also. Is that true? Can you see that? So down here, that's how Vaishnavi have 14 plus 7. How come? Because the 14 comes from here. All right. Plus the $7 that comes from here. And the answer is $21. Can you guys understand, children? All right. Shiloh can understand? Can, Lavanya? Can, all right, Pom Pom, okay? Winsing, okay, ma? All right, and Hashniya, okay? All right, okay. So that is the extra question that we have. All right, it's not that difficult. Sometimes, right, children, when you're in doubt, what you do? Draw diagrams like me. All right, so when I was in primary school also, when the sentence is very long, all right, and I don't understand the question, what do? I do some drawing like this. Very simple drawing, which makes me understand better. All right, and the numbers are not very big. All right, you can try to use the drawing method to get to the answer. Is that okay? Excellent. All right, children. So I was looking through your worksheet, right? And I can say that you guys are amazing. All right, many of you did your worksheet. I'm so proud of you. Seriously. All right, I'm so proud of you. All right, so let's go through the questions. All the questions actually. All right, and later we will have a session of the Kahoot. Is that okay? Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, let's do some questions here first. Okay, number pattern. So number pattern question 1, right? Can I get Husniya to assist me? Right, because Husniya got this question wrong. I just want her to be totally clear. Right, Husniya. Can? All right, so I will help you, don't worry. So down here, what is happening? Let's look at the question together. You're looking for the missing number. So obviously, you are looking for the question mark over here. So what do? My advice to you is to slowly compare numbers, all right, by the pair. So 22 and 24, how do you get from 22 to 24? Hashnia, can you assist me? Can you unmute yourself and tell me, how do you get from 22 to 24? Or you can go to the, yes. Hashnia, can you say something? Hushnia, sorry. Hushnia. Is it Hushnia? I think so. All right, so how do you get from 22 to 24? It's a plus. Oh, very good. She typed in. It's okay. You can type to me also. If you don't want to say, all right, you can type to me. Very good. She told me +2. Thank you so much. All right, so Hushnia, again, from 24, how do you get to 28? Tell me. Type to me. All right, it's a +4, right? Very good. And continue. From 28, how do you get to 36? It's actually a +6. All right, so looking at the pattern, children, yes, some of you are already doing the rhythm in your head. 2, 4, 6, 8 is the best. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, yes. So the next one is a +8, right? Is that true? Yeah. All right, so what do? 34 + 8. If you can actually work it out. No problem. 8 + 4 is a 12. All right, 3 + 1 is a 4. But children, can you please wait a while? All right, you need to check. If this answer is 42, please do a check. Please do a last check. 2, 4, 6, 8. The next one is a 10. Can you see now? So 42 + 10, right? 42 + 10. Is it 52? Yes. Ding, 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 ding. Woo! Good job, man. Hushnia. All right, sorry. Good job, girl. Hushnia is good. Answer is D. All right, so please remember to always check. It's not every time +2, +2, +2. Understand not? So it's a +2. You must check the next pair. +4, the next pair, +6, and so on. Is that okay? Okay. So actually, I have another student. Shiloh, wait lah. All right, I have another student in class. All right. This lady is called. What's your name? Sorry, your name is called iPhone, is it? I'm sorry. Yeah. Thank you for on your video. Thank you for attending class. But can I have your
Mia.
Tamia? Is it Tamia?
Yes.
All right, thank you for joining us, Tamia. And Tamia, I just want to say thank you for attempting the worksheet. All right, not bad. Out of 12 questions, you got 2 mistakes only. Very good. Good job. All right. And my name is actually called Ben Ong, Mr. Ben Ong. But as you can see, the whole entire class are girls, right? Can you see that everybody is a girl? They're all girls. All right. So my name, right, is now called Bernice. You can call me Miss Bernice. Yeah, hello. All right, so today I'm called Miss Bernice. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so children, moving on, right? Moving on. All right, this question is done. All right, let's move on to question 2. Oh, very easy, very easy. All right, this question very easy. None of you girls got it wrong. Everybody got it right. You are so amazing. All right, so Shiloh, maybe I can get you to annotate. All right, can you do this question? All right, can you annotate and do this question for me, please? Can? All right, so let me turn on my annotation first. My annotation is here. All right, so Shiloh, can you please do this question right now? Thank you so much. All right, everyone will get a chance, don't worry. All right. All right, so the important word down here, which is called subtract, right? Subtract means what? Look, yes. She used the word minus, excellent. And of course, you need to take a big number to minus a small number. Is that true? Oh my goodness. Look at her handwriting. Handwriting is so beautiful, right? So I'm going to copy her work, all right? I'm going to be the copy. All right. So she said that this one, right, minus, this subtract means it's a minus. I'm going to copy her work. Yeah. So you always copy your classmate work, right? Of course not. People are copying your work, right? Okay, because you guys are so good. Okay, so she do. Hey, how to cancel 0? Oh, eh? You do from right to left one, man, Shiloh. Funny. Right? You're supposed to borrow from this 7,000, right?